We are a group of engineering. We're here to report the different parts of a motherboard, how we supposed to figure out parts connector, port, slot, socket, heatsink. Let meets our motherboard component. Back panel connectors and ports is connected at the back of the computer where you plug in external devices such as plugger, keyboard, scanner, mouse, modem, and many more. It contains the display ports, audio ports, USB port, PS2 ports, etc. These allow instruction and data to flow between the computer and device. The computer ports are also commonly referred as input-output port. PCI Express X1 slot for expansion cards such as sound card, network card like Wi-Fi, Ethernet, Bluetooth connectors like USB, graphic cards, etc. PCI Express X16 slot discrete graphic card and high valuable such as top and solid state drive. Northbridge, also known Memory Controller Hub or MCH, trusted allow the CPU to communicate to RAM or to the graphics card. CPU socket or CPU slot is mechanically component that provide mechanical and electrical connection between microprocessor to PCB. This allows the CPU to replace without soldering. ATX 12 volts power connector connects to 4-pin power cable of the power supply which supply power to the CPU. Front panel USB and audio connectors connect to the USB and audio port at the front or at top of the computer cases. RAM slot are vertically slot typically number 3 or 4 which usually are located at the upper right of the motherboard. ATX power connectors connects to the 24-pin ATX power cable of the power supply which supply power to the motherboard. CMOS battery supply power to store BIOS setting, keep the real-time clock running. Southbridge, also known as Input or Output Controller Hub or ICH. Also the CPU to communicate with the PCI slot, PCI Express X1 slot like expansion card, like hard drive, optical drive, USB port, and Ethernet port. Fan header, supply power to the CPU, heatsink fan, and computer case fan. SATA connectors connect to the modem, hard disk drive, and optical drives for data transfer.